Today I am ecstatic to bring you some exciting AIoT products that we have been working on. But before we get to the main hero of the day, the Realme Smart TV, we have some more interesting products for you to enjoy. So let's start with Realme Buds Air Neo. After the success of the classic white version, this time we are introducing two Neo colors, red and green. In our consumer survey, red and green have been voted as the most desirable colors by youngsters. Let me show you some pictures. Whatever you wear, Realme Buds Air Neo can always complement and elevate your style. Although we have brought new colors and style to Realme Buds Air Neo, we have not compromised on any core feature. Realme Buds Air Neo comes with customized high-performance R1 audio chipset based on the Bluetooth 5.0 protocol with super low latency mode. The latency is only 119.2 milliseconds, the same as that of its predecessor Buds Air. Once the case cover is opened, Buds Air Neo will be recognized by your phone automatically. And once the connection is made, Realme Buds Air Neo will never forget your phone and will connect to it instantly, giving you a seamless pairing experience. Realme Buds Air Neo comes with Google Fast Pair out of the box, making the experience more intuitive. Users can also experience touch control features on Buds Air Neo. Double tapping while play or pause, triple tapping to skip to the next track, a long press on either buds to wake up Google Assistant for voice operation or end a phone call. What's more, you can set up and customize touch control features in the Realme Link app as per your usage habit. Now let's talk about the battery life. Realme Buds Air Neo is the most reliable companion. On a single charge, it can last for up to 3 hours of continuous music playback. And with the charging case, it can achieve a battery life of up to 17 hours. Which is sufficient for more than a day of normal usage. In sound quality, Buds Air Neo upgrades to a bigger 13mm driver with LCP Advanced Multi-Layer Composite Diaphragm. The dynamic bass boost solution also continues on Buds Air Neo to provide a powerful bass experience, giving you an immersive experience while watching movies and listening to music. The Buds Air Neo has a semi-open shape appearance suitable for long-term wearing. It only weighs 4.1 gram and you can hardly feel it in your ear. That's Realme Buds Air Neo for you guys, with neo trendy colors but no compromise on the core true wireless experience. Before we reveal the pricing, let's see some highlights of the Realme Buds Air Neo. It features instant auto connection, a large 13mm dynamic bass boost driver, 119.2 milliseconds super low latency. It also supports 17 hours total battery life, intelligent touch controls, and the best of all, you can easily connect it with the Realme Link app and personalize it to suit your needs. So before we move on to the pricing, let's have a look at the product video.
Realme Buds Air Neo, true wireless, real choice. Realme, dare to live.
So friends, with all these features, the Realme Buds Air Neo is priced at Rs 2,999 and will be available on realme.com and Flipkart. It will soon be available in offline stores too. We are excited to bring you a brand new category with our Realme Watch, a smartwatch crafted with trend-setting design and technology. We designed the default watch face of Realme Watch, which displays 6 crucial data points: time, date, weather, steps, heart rate, and calories. Now talking about the screen size, the screen of the Realme Watch is 1.4 inches with a resolution of 320 into 320 pixels. I would also like to mention that the surface of the screen uses 2.5D Corning Gorilla Glass 3. And it has a sleek and trendy round frame which provides a seamless and comfortable touch. The Gorilla Glass 3 provides improved native damage resistance and shows high resistance to scratches. Well, we all know how variety is the spice of life, and the same applies to watch faces as well. Youngsters prefer a wide array of options to infuse freshness and excitement, and I'm excited to announce that Realme smartwatch comes with 12 unique watch faces and will be soon adding more than 100 fashionable watch faces co-created with trendy designers through OTA. The Realme watch comes with the classic black color strap. However, you can switch to blue, red or green color strap to match your style. Now that we have unveiled the trend-setting design, let's take a look at the trend-setting technology. Here the Realme watch carves a niche with great performance and functionality. Not only will the Realme watch be your best accessory with exquisite design elements, but also your 24/7 health assistant. The watch is equipped with 3 major health functions: real-time heart rate monitor, blood oxygen level monitor, and intelligent activity trackers with 14 sports modes. Be it daily exercises or activities, you can monitor various vital data at any time and stay at your peak physical health. Moving beyond the health indicators, Realme watch with its intelligent activity tracker supports up to 14 types of sports modes. This includes almost any popular sport you can think of, even something that is every Indian's favorite, cricket. Realme watch is characterized with many thoughtful health functions such as step tracker, idle alert, meditation, drinking reminder, and sleep monitoring. With a bundle of holistic functionalities, users can access some of the most comprehensive health and wellness functions in the market. The Realme watch can be seamlessly paired with Realme smartphones via Realme Link app and supports SMS notifications as well as messages from third-party apps. It has been adopted to almost all renowned third-party apps for smart notifications. Thanks to its unique watch face, it can display more information for easy reading and consumption. As a smart wearable device, Realme watch also features a deeper binding with smartphones. First of all, Realme watch can automatically unlock the phone while approaching. This proves to be especially convenient and fast during the current pandemic, when face and fingerprint unlocking is not easy as before with everyone wearing masks and gloves. Realme watch makes it easier for you. For music lovers, Realme watch can remotely control the music player on your phone. For example, you can easily play and pause music while running. And for those special moments when you want to take a group picture, you can simply use your watch as a remote shutter button. As an important part of the Realme AIoT strategy, Realme watch is the central device of the entire system. With OTA updates in future, Realme watch will be able to remotely link multiple AIoT devices for easy operation without the need to open a smartphone. Inheriting Realme's consistently high quality of standards, the Realme watch has IP68 level water and dust resistance. Whether it is rain or sweat, you can stay totally worry-free about anything harming your Realme watch. The Realme smartwatch is equipped with a 1.4-inch large touchscreen available with straps in 4 colors and has more than 100 custom watch faces with OTA. It carries a flagship optical sensor, supports heart rate and blood oxygen monitoring, and is able to monitor 14 kinds of sports activity. And it can be seamlessly paired with any Android smartphone via Realme Link app to achieve a variety of remote controls and notification reminders. With IP68 level water and dust resistance, it is of high quality, easy to use and durable. So guys, let's see the product video first.
Realme Watch. Time to be smarter. Realme. Dare to lead.
So with all these power-packed features, the Realme watch is priced at Rs 3,999 and will be available on realme.com and Flipkart. It will also be available in offline stores soon. And of course, you can get your hands on the Realme watch with the black strap that will go on sale at 12 noon on 5th June. You can buy the smartwatch with the black strap and you can switch to any of the other 3 color straps as per your style, as we will make it available soon with the price of Rs 499 each. This is the Realme watch for you. Now it's time to talk about the third surprise of the day, the second generation Realme 10,000 mAh power bank. We have redesigned the surface of Power Bank 2 with classic microstripes design. A number of microstripes are embossed on the surface of the power bank Each microstripe comes with a spacing of 0.25 micrometers and a convexity of 0.6 micrometers, forming a unique grid texture with a comfortable touch. The grid texture is non-slippery and repels fingerprints and dust as well, giving you a clean and sturdy experience. Powerbank 2 supports 18-watt two-way quick charge and comes with two USB ports, USB-A and USB-C. The USB-C not only can fast charge the power bank but also outputs power to charge other devices. In order to enable the charging for a diverse range of devices, Powerbank 2 comes equipped with a 2-in-1 charging cable in the box that supports micro USB and Type-C. Thanks to the low current mode, it can charge many AIoT devices with small battery swiftly and safely. The low current mode can be easily activated by just double clicking on the power button. The Realme Powerbank 2 comes with high quality 10,000 mAh high density lithium polymer battery cells, therefore it ensures less capacity loss even after many charging cycles. 13 layers of circuit protection are also applied in Powerbank 2 to add an extra layer of safety and provide for a safe charging experience. So before we end, let's see some highlights of the Realme 10,000 mAh Powerbank 2. It supports 18-watt two-way quick charge and multi-device quick charge. It also supports dual output ports, low current mode for AIoT devices. It is protected with 13-layer circuit protection and has a 2-in-1 charging cable. Let's have a look at the product video. It's time to talk about the pricing now. The Realme 10,000 mAh Powerbank 2 will be available on realme.com and Flipkart.
Now, as you all are excited, let's get ready to unveil a brand new category, our very first Realme Smart TV. Yes, this is our first ever brand new internet-centric Smart TV. Now, I will introduce the 4 prime aspects of Realme Smart TV, which consumers deeply care about: display, audio, content, and the smart question. This will underline why we call Realme Smart TV as the real challenger. Let's start with the display first. Realme Smart TV will come in 2 sizes, 32 inches and 43 inches. In our survey, these 2 sizes of the TVs emerged as one of the first and the foremost choices for the Indian consumers. And so, there's a core feature that most of us might have been familiar with. Yes, we have used the original Chroma Boost picture engine similar to Realme smartphone cameras. Chroma Boost helps users take glorious photos with just a simple click. So this time, we have brought our collective experiences of picture tuning to the TV display. Thanks to the Chroma Boost picture engine, the display can reach peak brightness level of 400 nits and produce vivid true details, color, and the visibility. Beneath the high quality screen, we have integrated a most powerful processor from the MediaTek, which is world's #1 chipset maker for digital TVs. Yes guys, this will also be the first time ever an MTK chipset is being used in this price segment. It sports an efficient 64-bit quad-core architecture with a 1.1 GHz ARM Cortex-A53 for CPU, new Mali 473 MP3 for GPU. Powered by great performance, support from the MediaTek processor and a 1GB 2133 MHz RAM, Realme Smart TV can provide strong performance along with superior picture quality. Also, because of the powerful chipset, the Realme Smart TV supports HDR10 video decoding, which is rarely found in this price range. Realme Smart TV also comes with HLG, which is another high quality format for exceptionally good picture quality. In terms of overall design, Realme Smart TV features bezel-less design. Now let's talk about the audio, which is another key aspect for our TV. As we know, almost all TVs in this segment only features 2 full-range speakers to provide the basic sound effect. However, based on 2 full-range speakers, Realme Smart TV comes with 2 more tweeters, adding up to 4 speakers in total to better reproduce mid to high frequency sounds such as the voice of the human and the musical instruments. Let's take an insight into the technology behind the Realme Smart TV audio system. 4 speakers are located at the bottom of the Realme Smart TV. Each set consists of one full range speaker and one tweeter. The combined power of these 4 speakers are 24 watts, giving you a complete audio experiences over other models in the same segment. And of course, the much awaited Dolby Audio is also in the house. Realme Smart TV uses the latest Dolby Audio solution to bring the most interesting, rich audio quality to the TV sound, which is again a first-in-class feature. Let's now deep dive on what's inside. Realme Smart TV comes with a certified Android TV, brings the most popular tvOS experience straight to you. Android TV not only brings along a mature and intuitive TV using experience, it also brings features and applications of the popular software. Realme Smart TV along with the Android TV also bring the most popular streaming media platforms such as Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video and the Live TV. You can use Google Assistant to control the Android TV with your voice, customize the experience to unique interests and access a variety of content through the Google Play Store and YouTube. Google Assistant can work seamlessly to become your best companion in the living room. Realme Smart TV is compatible with your smartphone as well. It has a Chromecast built-in which can synchronize online video programs, movies, TV, music and other content on your smartphone to watch on the TV. At the same time, you can also share the photos and the videos of the TV through your smartphone. Realme Smart TV supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and infrared, Bluetooth 5 and multiple wireless connections. You can connect third-party devices such as Bluetooth speakers, Bluetooth controllers for video gamers and even Bluetooth microphones for karaoke. As for wired connectivity, Realme Smart TV comes with 3 HDMI ports, 2 USB ports, SPDIF and DVB-T2 and Ethernet ports. It will be able to connect to all your devices like PlayStation, smart boxes, Blu-ray players to fulfill all your entertainment needs. Another very important hardware feature is like the all-in-one smart remote. We have customized the remote to yield better convenience. The Realme Smart TV remote control has a stylish design. Through precise weighing, the center of gravity of the remote control is lowered and the grip is specially designed for the palm curvature. It features 3 dedicated hotkeys to access your favorite video platforms with just one click, be it YouTube, Netflix or the Prime Video. Additionally, with a quick button and built-in microphones, Google Assistant can be accessed in a highly convenient way. Realme Smart TV has a 1 year of warranty along with an additional year of warranty on the panels as well. We will be providing a doorstep installation service within 48 hours of purchase with 780 plus service centers across India, including 17,000 plus pin codes, and this is our commitment for the real choice of India. That was the all-new Realme Smart TV. Here are some of the highlights of the brand new Realme Smart TV. The high quality screen with Chroma Boost picture engine, bezel-less design, powerful 24 watts, 4 surround sound speakers, Android TV with smart features, high quality standards and an extra screen warranty. Before moving to the price, let's have a quick look at the product video.
This is the sound that the gods will play to part the clouds.
Okay, Google, what's the weather? Realme Smart TV, real picture, real sound. Realme, dare to live.
It's time to reveal the pricing for the all-new Realme Smart TV. Realme Smart TV comes in 2 sizes, 32-inch and 43. The 32-inch Realme Smart TV will be priced at 12,999 rupees. The 43-inch Realme Smart TV will be priced at 21,999 rupees only. It will be available on Flipkart and Realme.com with the first sale starting from 12 noon on 2nd of June. Well, that's not all. We have one more thing for our fans, the Realme 100-watt soundbar. The Realme soundbar will have 4 speakers and a subwoofer, adding up to 5 in total. We'll be bringing the next level surround sound experience very soon. So guys, stay tuned.